Right, so today we're going to do beef lasagna. It's not your traditional lasagna with your different sauces, your bolognese and your bechamel. It's a little more simple. We are just doing the minced beef. We are cooking it with some tomato paste and our local seasoning. And then we're just going to layer the lasagna with the lasagna shells, the cooked beef mixture, and cheese, and top with some fresh oregano. So we're going to start by cooking off our mincemeat and tomato sauce first. And then we'll move on to the layering of the lasagna. We're going to start with oil, vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons, pimento, 8 peppers chopped finely, which is around 3 to 4 tablespoons. Garlic, 3 tablespoons. Chive, 3 tablespoons. Chadon beni, 4 tablespoons. Onion, 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons, sorry. Give it a stir. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped thyme. Allow our aromatics to sweat a little, and then we will add the mincemeat. We're going to add our mincemeat now. 2 cups of minced beef. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon, and salt to taste. We allow the mincemeat to kind of brown a little bit before we add our tomato sauce. Now we're going to add the tomato sauce. Right, 2 cups of tomato sauce. Right, let it cook for about 5 minutes. Right, after we allow the mincemeat with the tomato sauce to cook a little bit for about 5 minutes, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. The sugar is to help cut the acid in the tomatoes, because tomatoes, especially tomato sauce, tends to be a little acidic, especially when we add it to dishes. So you kind of want to cut the acidity a little bit by adding the sugar. So we add the 3 tablespoons of sugar and we stir, and we remove from the heat. Right, now we're going to layer the lasagna. We have our cooked mincemeat in tomato sauce, our no-boil lasagna shells. I'm using no-boil lasagna shells today, but you can use the ones to boil, or you can make lasagna shells yourself. Hopefully one day we post a video on making lasagna shells. We have fresh oregano and our grated New Zealand cheddar cheese. All right, we're going to start with layering first the 1 layer of the no-boil, sorry. Some mincemeat. Spread evenly. And this lasagna is very simple, very easy. It's not going to take long to prepare, and the family will still enjoy. Cheese. Now the amount of cheese is based on your preference. I like plenty cheese. And then repeat the same and finishing off with mincemeat, cheese, and our fresh oregano. We have a preheated oven for about a temperature at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we just put the bake until the lasagna shells are cooked and the cheese is golden brown. Top it up with fresh oregano. Right, and we place in the oven.